Hello, English learner. Welcome to English Master English channel, a channel for learning master English. In this video, I want to give tips for you how to improve your English in a month. For improving your English speaking skills in a month requires consistent practice and the right strategies. Here's a structured plan to help you. 1. Speak every day, even alone. Self-talk. Describe what you're doing throughout the day in English. Mirror practice. Speak in front of a mirror to improve confidence and pronunciation. Think in English. Try forming your thoughts in English instead of translating from your native language. 2. Use online speaking tools. AI chatbots. Talk to AI assistants or chatbots for practice. Language exchange apps. Use apps like Cambly, HelloTalk, or Tandem to speak with native speakers. 3. Learn key phrases and sentence structures. Focus on common expressions for daily conversations. Practice question and answer patterns, e.g., what do you do? I work as a... 4. Imitate native speakers. Shadowing technique. Listen to native speakers and repeat exactly as they say. Watch and repeat. Use movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos to mimic pronunciation and intonation. 5. Record yourself and get feedback. Record your speaking and compare it with native speakers. Share recordings with a tutor or language partner for feedback. 6. Join speaking groups and communities. Join English-speaking clubs, in person or online. Participate in group discussions on platforms like Facebook, Reddit, or Discord. 7. Set specific goals. Example, I will speak for 10 minutes every day, or I will learn 10 new phrases daily. Bonus, fun practice methods. Sing English songs and focus on pronunciation. Play role-playing games where you act as different characters in English. Thank you for watching till the end, and make sure for like, subscribe, and share for more future English tips.